Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on a Chevy Impala. First, let's talk about preparation and safety. You'll need a new oil filter, about 5 quarts of the correct motor oil, a drain pan, and a few basic tools. Always work on a level surface with a cool engine. For your safety, always use sturdy jack stands to support the vehicle after lifting it. Never rely solely on a jack. Now that your Impala is safely supported, it's time to drain the old oil. Slide your drain pan under the engine. Locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a large bolt on the lowest part of the oil pan. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old, dirty oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Locate the old oil filter, often near the drain plug. Use an oil filter wrench to turn it counterclockwise and remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Screw on the new filter hand tight, then give it about a 3/4 turn with the wrench. Reinstall the drain plug firmly. Finally, let's add the fresh motor oil. Locate the oil fill cap on your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Carefully pour in about 5 quarts of the recommended motor oil. Replace the cap, then start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Add more if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.